In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate status updates in Asana. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that keeps your team informed without you having to remember to post updates manually. First, open the project you want to automate. Pick the project where regular communication matters most, maybe a sprint board, a client deliverable, or a cross-functional initiative. Make sure you have the right permissions to adjust settings in this project, since you'll be creating an automation that everyone on the project can benefit from. Now, look to the top right corner and click Customize. This is the panel where you fine-tune how your project behaves, including fields, forms, and most importantly for us, automations. Inside Customize, select Rules. Rules are Asana's way of connecting a trigger to an action, so that something useful happens automatically when certain conditions are met. Next, click Add Rule. You're creating a brand new rule that will handle your status updates for you. Think of this as setting a policy once and letting Asana carry it out every time. Choose a trigger. This is what sets the rule in motion. For example, you can select Task Completed if you want a status update every time work gets over the finish line, or choose Due Date Passed if you want to highlight when deadlines slip. Pick the one that best matches how your team tracks progress. If your project is fast-moving, Task Completed can celebrate momentum. If it's deadline-driven, Due Date Passed can surface risks early. Keep in mind that the more specific the trigger, the fewer noisy updates you'll have. Now, select the action. Post Status Update. This tells Asana to publish an update in your project's status area, so everyone following the project sees it in context. It's a great way to centralize communication and reduce one-off messages. Customize the status message if needed. Write a clear, friendly note that explains exactly what happened and what it means. For example, you can summarize the change, call out next steps, and set expectations for what's coming next. Keep it concise. Use consistent language your team recognizes, and include any tags or conventions your team uses to scan updates quickly. Finally, click Create Rule to save. Your automation is now live and will run whenever the trigger you chose occurs. That's it. Your project status updates are now automated in Asana. If you ever want to fine-tune the wording or switch to a different trigger, just return to Customize, open Rules, and adjust the same rules so your updates always match your team's needs.